Hey guys, so I got a package from Lady E. And look how beautiful this packaging is. And there's a personalized note. I'll read that too. Oh, there's some good. I love the wrapping. Look how cute that is. Pretty cool. Alright, so it says, "Greetings, Oscar. It's me, Lady E, and today I pulled an oracle card in your honor before sending out your crystals, and here is a poem by Cher Lynn with a message for you. The star people watch, a new cycle birth, white and buffalo appears. Good ways return to earth, anticipate this creation. It's shifting all illusions, the veil is thinning and lifting." We'll wait for that plate to go by. An amazing new chapter filled with positivity is upon us. I've enclosed a very special chime for you to say a huge thank you for all you do for me. Every video of yours, I'm in tears. You bring so much joy to people. Keep shining. P.S. Malachite vibes. Yeah, love Lady E from France. Just shake the chime a little until the disc is free. This is May 31st, 2021. And then Divine Sound, Joshua Tree, set the tone for your home. Benj, Shui, Crystals, Sound Baths. Alright, so it's like a little... Alright. Thank you so much. What's that? And let's do... I love the packaging. The packaging is always amazing. Alright, so these are, I love the little, little confetti things. Cute. Oh, is this it? I think I hear it. You guys heard it, right? You gotta be careful with this guy. I don't want to, because usually I've been finding myself being rough with a lot of things like unpackaging. Amazon, just FYI. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. Okay. What? That is so cool. Ah. We'll put that down. Oh, the little thing got caught in the... That's an easy fix. Hear that? Oh, especially with my Tulum vibes up here. I'm gonna hang that in a little bit. That's pretty cool. And oh, what is this beauty? Oh, this is the base. I think these are bases. Yeah. I'll play with those. I'll find those, and then. These little guys are so cute. So these, you just push the button and it lights up and it stays lit up for like a few months. Or, sorry, like about a month. And they've lasted like a month and a half or almost 2 months. They actually stay lit up for quite some time. And then the base for, I think, one of the crystals. And, oh yes. So her card, Divine Sounds, Lady E, customized sound baths. You could do private sound baths with her. This one's, oh, these are the ones that she sent. So, moss. I'm just gonna put that up there so that way you guys can see it. So this is for the moss agate, and then tiger eye, golden light. That way you guys could see those. I'll put those in pause so that way you guys could see those. And then you guys can read them. And this one's the black tourmaline look within. Smoky quartz. So there's that one as well. And the white howlite. Oh, this one I'm excited for. This one caught my attention. Let's see. Oh, look at that beauty right there. So gorgeous. So beautiful. Especially. We're gonna put that in there, set those in there. And then this is another one. Oh wow. So this one's almost like, it's the smoky one. This is a smoky quartz. So ground connect with Mother Earth, block EMFs, transmute negative energies, call in the light, detox your aura plus physical body, release fear, dispel nightmares, cleanse this stone regularly, improve your psychic abilities. And then there's more on that too. This one's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, what? These caught my eye big time. These are gorgeous. So 2 tiger eye bracelets. And then the other one is the howlite. And I want to say this one's the Moscate. I hope I got that right. Oh, black. No, this one's a black tourmaline. Oh wow, I'm putting these on now. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. See that? Those are cool. Okay. I'm in love. Oh, probably move one tiger eye over here and the other one there. That way it's kind of... Okay. I'm in love. I am in love. I'm in love with my new beauties. And this box is amazing. Okay, I'm in love with this, Lady E. I'm in love with all of it. This just made my day. I wanted to hear something like this because I was like thinking like in getting like one of these chimes, but also like I didn't want something like so loud. And this is like perfect because it's very light in hearing, and for some reason sounds right now since we have planes going on, but this is perfect. And especially with the heat, and it looks like there's different sizes inside, so that way it creates vibrations with sounds, like with the little things in there. I don't know what they're called. I'm in love. Thank you, Lady E. Hope all is well. Sending a lot of positive vibes your way as well. Thank you, Lady E. I am excited with my new collection. And thank you so much. Sending nothing but positive vibes and congratulating you also in the extension of your business as well. I'm excited for you. Yes. And I'm very happy and pleased with my new little babies. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the bracelets, beautiful. I'll probably put it there. I'm excited. Thank you so much. Sending a lot of positive vibes and blessings. Till then.